the case of Portugal, the economic recovery is consolidating after leaving behind the negative consequences of the economic crisis and the European bailout. This trend was confirmed last year, with GDP growing at around 1%. It is forecasted that this year growth will reach around 1.6%, and this is also supported by good levels of consumer spending. In our Portuguese shopping centres, sales last year increased by 5.5%. Q1 2015, sales are increasing by 4.8%. So these are strong economic fundamentals for our business. But despite these economic fundamentals and despite the price correction in the market, the investor side did not step in so far. So in Portugal, economic fundamentals are getting ahead of capital. Yields are still at a high level. Rents are perceived as having reached the bottom and are recovering. But as I said, there are not, until now, a huge demand from international investors. I believe that this situation in Portugal represents a great and rare buying opportunity, mainly for those investors prepared to move up the risk curve. And I believe that investors should act quickly because the opportunity is there. Cities like Lisbon in the south of Portugal and also in Oporto are benefiting from this situation. So I believe 2015 could be a good year for investors that are prepared to move up the risk curve. We know Portugal is a small market, has liquidity issues, but there are good opportunities out there.
We've been following Portugal since the beginning, and as I told you before, I mean, since 2006 we are monitoring the Portuguese market because I mean the Iberian Peninsula at the end of the day is pretty much our market within the Spanish team. The thing is that what we felt in the past is that all of the investors were more focused in Spain as the recovery was taken up because Portugal normally goes like from 9 to 12 months behind Spain. So, but I agree completely with Alexandre. At the end of the day, they are catching up, and the looks are more towards Portugal these days. Spain has been one of the core markets for all the investment right now, but Portugal is in the radar of all of the investors right now. At least monitoring to see what's going on.